Here at Filippo Morato, we've continuously redesigned your relationship with your everyday carry. And we're back with the Visivo. Made with our signature vegetable-tanned Italian leather, it houses a super quick cash drawer that's fit for an array of currency from across the globe. The most popular request, the humble ID window, for a smarter, seamless way to present yourself. And in the center, we placed a crowd favorite, the retracting quick pull tab. The interior contains 4 primary slots, an extra hidden compartment, and in addition to that, another slot on the outside for rapid access on the fly. A modern world requires modern tools, so stowed away in the cash drawer you'll find slots specially designed to fit a SIM card, micro SD, and SIM pin, all carefully made with our RFID secured lining. Join us and raise the bar for your billfold.